Gogu, teacher taught us how to set communication between user and computer.
That's great. Now the computer is your real friend.
Yes, now I can write code to do difficult calculations and get the correct result.
Shall I give you a simple task to write a code?
Why not? Sure, I'll do it.
Write a code to add 2 numbers.
It's very easy. I'll do it in a minute.
Go ahead.
I'm ready with the program.
Wait, don't get too excited. Run your code and check the output.
The computer is asking for the first number. Let's enter 67. Now it's asking for the second number. I'll give it 98. Oh, what is this? My program is correct, but why is the result wrong? I think the computer's processor is broken.
No, the processor is working perfectly. There's a mistake in your code.
Where? Please tell me.
No, your teacher will help you fix it.
So you're not going to help me? Fine, I'll call Eve. Hello, Eve, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm not so good.
What happened? Is there a problem? May I help?
Yes. Gogu gave me a task to write a code to add 2 numbers, but it's giving the wrong output. Can you try it too?
Sure, I'll try. Let's discuss it at school. Bye.
I don't know where the mistake is.
Aadi, I tried it, but I'm getting a strange output.
Yes, me too.
What's the problem? Can I help?
Sure. Look at this code for adding 2 numbers. It's giving the wrong output.
I think your code is wrong.
No, the code is correct.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, teacher.
Teacher, please help us. What's wrong with my code?
We're trying to add 2 numbers, but the output isn't right.
Your program is correct, but not for adding numbers. It's joining 2 values instead.
What does that mean?
There are 2 main reasons why you're getting this result. First, when you use input, the data is stored as text, even if you enter numbers. Second, the plus sign joins 2 text values if the data is text. But if the data is numbers, it will add them.
Oh, so the computer is treating the numbers as text and just joining them? Got it.
But how do we make sure the data is treated as numbers?
We have to convert the data from text to numbers. There are different ways to do this, but today I'll teach you one simple way: the eval function. This function converts text into numbers.
But what if someone enters text, like words, instead of numbers?
That's where you, the programmer, need to be careful. You should only convert data that's meant to be a number. Let's modify Aadi's code and use eval to convert the inputs before performing the addition. Let's run the code. First number, 80. Second number, 70. And the result is 150.
Yes, finally, the correct result.
So, the lesson is, whenever we want to use data for calculations, we have to convert it to a number using eval.
Exactly! Now try using the same method for subtraction, multiplication, and division with 2 numbers.
Sure, teacher. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's how Aadi and his friends learned an important lesson about coding. When you take input from the user, the computer treats it as text. But by using a special tool called the eval function, they were able to turn those text values into numbers and make their code work just the way they wanted. What new coding adventure will they tackle next? Stay tuned to find out.